We spent 16 hours unpacking and organizing this office. At first glance, you might be wondering, where's all this stuff? But behind me, this is actually all hidden storage. These push-to-open cabinets hold a lot of belongings. On this side, we've got the client's placemats, napkin rings, linens, things like that, so it's easy for her to entertain with the kitchen around the corner. Same with this one over here. On the wall behind me, she's got all of her office supplies, her files, things like that. And then in this corner, this is her craft corner, so when she's got nieces and nephews over, they can pull out all sorts of fun things, colored pencils, crayons, hot glue guns, whatever they need. We've got down here some more office supplies, as well as construction paper, stickers, notebooks, part of the craft corner. And then we also have a very fun keepsake box for her future grandchildren. She doesn't have any yet, but she's getting ready for the future, and she set aside special keepsakes for her grandchildren that she wants them to have. If you love an office like this, drop a comment below.